Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope, friends, all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then I am here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful, delicate and decent collection of specifically one color based embroidered designer 3D embroidery design ideas of face masks, and that is, yes, you have guessed right, face mask of black color. Because when we talk about style, then black color is our first and the foremost priority, and black is the color that suits on any group of any age group persons, any sort of color combinations. And as you could see, that very funky combination of branches, flowers, birds, embroidery have been used, very real life inspired. Roses and leaves have been made. Some delicate and decent traditional heavy floral embroidery patterns with decent and delicate colors of flowers have been used. I bet that very beautiful and artistic, extremely amazing designs of face masks you have never seen before. And if you try any of these designs from this entire set of jet black, the all-time favorite embroidered face masks, then you would not regret on your choice, and everybody would ask you that which designer mask are you wearing, and everybody would praise these beautiful designs. The purpose of these designs is because very high prices these black embroidered masks have been sold and are getting sold every day in the market, but you can make these masks into very low price by simply following these embroidery patterns and exactly these color combinations. So I hope I am pretty much excellent to convince you towards a wide variety of and a very beautiful collection of face masks. So don't forget to wear masks while living for some basic necessity or some important reasons while stepping out from your houses. So stay blessed. Once again, spread positivity, be a cause of positive motivation for others, especially for your friends and family, and support your friends and family to achieve their goals. And stay home, stay safe, stay protected. And one more thing, while establishing a habit of wearing masks, you can not only stay safe from coronavirus but many other dangerous viruses like acute allergic problems, some sort of breathing issues, and even some asthmatic issues. Or you can also keep your skin protected from sunburn, sun damage, suntan, and different sorts of dust allergy, dirt allergy. Anti-pollutive masks are very beautifully designed. So thank you so much for watching my content.